I'm so happy you're here. Today I have an amazing evening yoga stretching video planned for y'all. This one is one that I absolutely love to do at the end of my day to de-stress and relax my body so that I can have an amazing sleep. Now, just before we get into today's stretch, I just want to give a huge loving shout out of thanks to today's video sponsor, Magic Mind. I've been drinking these guys for a little while now, and I absolutely love the calming effect they have, especially on my mental just overall feeling, especially the fact that they give you energy without getting those jitters. We all know too much caffeine means not a good sleep, and we want to have an amazing rest every single night. So I'll put the link for these guys in the video description below, so with a discount code, so you guys can get them for yourselves. And they really are a nice way to kind of perk yourself up throughout the day without affecting your sleep. All right, guys, let's get into today's stretch.